Buckle up, kitchen maestros, because we're counting down the top immersion blenders that can take your soups, sauces, and smoothies to the next level. Whether you're chasing budget bang for your buck or serious chopping power, this list has you covered. From comfortable grips to turbo blades, we'll break down what each model brings to the countertop. Think about ergonomics, motor speed, and ease of cleaning as we compare the contenders. Today, I'm going to be going over the best immersion blender that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Immersion Handheld Blender. As a compact workhorse for tight kitchens, this model offers a practical blend of simplicity and performance. A variable speed dial covers light purees to thicker emulsions, while a turbo button gives you a quick boost when blending tougher ingredients. Stainless steel shaft is designed to resist corrosion and maintain sharp edges for months of use, and the shaft length fits tall beakers and wide pots alike. The wand detaches for easy cleaning, and many bundles include a whisk or small chopping blade to expand capabilities without clutter. The grip is ergonomic, and the overall weight remains manageable for extended sessions. It shines in smoothies, soups, sauces, and baby foods, making everyday blending approachable rather than intimidating. In this price range, it delivers consistent results and predictable texture, earning the 10th rank for practical reliability. Compared to the KitchenAid hand blender, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Immersion handheld blender offers a lighter feel and simpler controls at a lower price. At number 9, we have KitchenAid hand blender. KitchenAid's hand blender blends robust performance with a familiar, solid chassis and a broad speed range that helps fine-tune texture from silky purees to chunkier blends. The motor handles ice crush smoothies and hot soups when used with care, and the included attachments extend its versatility. A whisk for whipping, a chopper attachment for nuts and herbs, and a blend stick that fits standard beakers. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during long sessions, and the control ring gives you precise pacing. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to a detachable blending arm and dishwasher-safe components. It holds up to daily kitchen tasks and offers durable, long-term reliability for a premium price. Compared to the Mueller multi-stick immersion blender, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the KitchenAid provides a broader accessory ecosystem and a more refined balance, but at a higher cost. At number 8, we have Mueller multi-stick immersion blender. Mueller's multi-stick blends power with practical design. A 600-watt motor drives a long steel wand that reaches into stockpots and tall carafes with minimal splatter. The unit often ships with multiple attachments: a whisk for emulsions, a chopping blade with a tall beaker, and a blending wand that remains comfortable even after minutes of continuous use. Speed settings cover a wide range, from gentle stirring to high-torque pureeing, making it a strong choice for soups, sauces, and baby foods. Durability comes from a sturdy steel housing and a well-sealed coupling that holds up under frequent cleaning. Grip is textured for secure control, and the detachable shaft makes washing simple. It offers solid value, which earns it the 8th position in this lineup. Compared to the Ganser 6-in-1 immersion blender, which I have included as number 7 on this list, Mueller's kit emphasizes robustness and a simpler, more focused set of tasks, while Ganser aims for broader versatility. At number 7, we have Ganser 6-in-1 immersion blender. Ganser's 6-in-1 model aims to cover the major blending chores in one affordable package. The machine ships with half a dozen functions: blending, whisking, chopping, emulsifying, grinding, and even a small grinding cup accessory for spices or coffee beans. Stainless steel shaft resists corrosion, and the device balances power with a comfortable grip. The control system provides a smooth transition between speeds, making it easy to craft silky sauces, light soups, or baby foods without overworking ingredients. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to detachable parts that resist gunk buildup. It's a compelling option for households that want one tool to do multiple jobs without clutter. Compared to the Ganser 5-in-1 immersion blender, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the 6-in-1 model expands functionality at a modest premium, though some users might prefer fewer attachments for everyday tasks. At number 6, we have Ganser 5-in-1 immersion blender. Ganser's 5-in-1 blend hits a comfortable middle ground between affordability and capability. It typically includes a blending wand, whisk, chopping blade, emulsifying disc, and a tall beaker for processing small batches. The motor is reliable for soups, sauces, and smoothies, and the wand's stainless steel construction helps maintain hygiene in busy kitchens. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, and the detachable shaft makes cleaning easier after purees that cling to the wand. You get good torque at moderate speeds, with enough control to avoid over-pureeing delicate ingredients. The detachable components, when dishwasher clean, speed up daily routines and keep kitchen counters neat. Practical, budget-friendly option for families who still want robust results. Compared to the Ninja Immersion blender and whisk, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Ganizer emphasizes steady performance and price, while Ninja emphasizes speed and built-in versatility. At number 5, we have Ninja Immersion blender and whisk. Ninja combines compact design with clever accessories that help you keep counters clean while you cook. The set typically includes a blending wand, a whisk, a splash guard, and a sturdy blending cup that fits under most kitchen cabinets. Practical splatter shield dramatically reduces spray, which is a big plus when you are blending warm soups or tomato sauces. The motor offers fast startup and a wide range of speeds that let you vary texture from silky to chunky, while the ergonomics emphasize balance and comfortable grip during long blending sessions. It's particularly handy for quick emulsions and sauces, and the whisk attachment shines for whipping cream or eggs. Cleaning is straightforward because most pieces are dishwasher safe. Compared to the Koyo's Immersion blender, which I have included as number 4 on this list, Ninja's kit trades a bit of raw power for portability and a broader, more user-friendly accessory set. At number 4, we have Koyo's Immersion blender. KOIOSS upgraded design centers on a durable anti-scratch stainless wand and a compact, balanced body that feels confident in hand. A broad range of 12 speeds plus a turbo setting gives you precision from delicate whisking to high-tiber pureeing. Wand is elongated enough to reach into tall pots without drips, and the motor housing stays comfortable during extended sessions. The spindle and blade assembly are easy to detach for washing and across-the-board compatibility with other KOIOS accessories. This model suits sauces, soups, gravies, and baby foods, delivering smooth emulsions and consistent texture. The build quality and feature completeness place KOIOS solidly in the upper mid-tier of immersion blenders. Compared to the Vitamix 5-speed immersion blender, which I have included as number 3 on this list, KOIOS emphasizes value and practicality, while Vitamix leans into premium performance and refined control. At number 3, we have Vitamix 5-speed immersion blender. Vitamix brings premium build quality and a refined blending experience to the table. The 5-speed control translates into silky soups, smooth nut milks, and precise purees with minimal splatter. Stainless steel blade assembly stays sharp longer under heavy loads, and the ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during longer batches. The unit is designed to handle hot liquids carefully, with a resilient handle that stays comfortable under heat and humidity. It ships with a solid blending wand and stable base features that feel sturdy in daily cooking. Cleaning is straightforward, as many parts are dishwasher safe, though the blade area should be rinsed promptly. The result is reliable, steady texture for chefs and home cooks who demand a high-end tool. Compared to the All-Clad Immersion blender, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Vitamix offers smoother balance and a quiet operation at a premium price. At number 2, we have All-Clad Immersion blender. All-Clad combines robust construction with a clean, professional aesthetic. The stainless steel housing and detachable wand feel solid in the hand, and the blade geometry is engineered for efficient chopping as well as smooth blending. The motor delivers confident torque for silky purees and the ability to handle chunky vegetables without stalling. The detachable shaft makes cleaning simple, while the included blending cup and accessories help you get started right away. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue on longer sessions, and the overall balance stays comfortable when you reach into deep pots or tall carafes. It is a versatile tool for soups, sauces, and dressings, with durability backed by a brand known for premium cookware. Compared to the Braun Multiquick 7, which I have included as number 1 on this list, All-Clad emphasizes stainless steel precision and long-term reliability, albeit at a higher price point. At number 1, we have Braun Multiquick 7. Braun delivers a blend of ergonomics, responsiveness, and everyday power. The soft-touch handle sits securely in the palm, while the responsive speed control gives you instant micro-adjustment to texture. 7-speed system covers everything from gentle whisking to smooth purees, and the included chopping blade or whisk attachments expand your toolkit without needing a separate gadget. Wand is long enough to reach into large pots and tall pitchers, and the detachable shaft makes cleaning a breeze. The overall build quality feels rugged, designed for daily kitchen use and heavy rotation in busy homes. Reliability is a hallmark, with strong customer support and durable components. Compared to the All-Clad Immersion blender, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Braun wins on hand feel and quick control in day-to-day tasks, though All-Clad offers higher-end materials and a more commercial-grade performance.